It is now December, and here I have PC flip number 7. Now before we go over the parts, I just want to give a quick update on the last PC build. Now after 2 months, it finally sold, but the real question is, how much profit did I make? Leave your guesses down in the comment, and I'll let you know later on in the video of how much profit I made. So for now, let's get started with the build. At least it was worth a try. Now let's go over the parts list. Now for the motherboard, I went with the Asus Prime B550M, the Wi-Fi version. I was able to get this off the Amazon warehouse for $100. Now you can definitely go for a cheaper option like the B450 motherboard. Definitely keep an eye out on the Amazon warehouse. I've gotten plenty of used motherboards for really good prices. Now for the CPU, which is currently inside the PC, I went with a Ryzen 5 5600X, which is a 6-core 12-thread CPU with a base clock of 3.7 gigahertz and a max boost up to 4.6 gigahertz. I was able to get this off Mercari for $117. It did come with the stock cooler, but of course I decided to upgrade that. For the cooler, I went with the all-black ID cooling. I got this off of Amazon for $30. Now I've used these coolers in the past for only $30. They do an amazing job keeping the CPU temps down. Now for the RAM sticks, I'm not sure if it's called Alloy or Owl. I went with the black 2x8 gigabyte RGB kit clocked at 3200 megahertz. I've used these RAM sticks in the past, but this is my first time getting the RGB version, and it went perfect with the black and white theme that I was going with. For the storage, I actually got a really good deal on Black Friday. I went with a Crucial P3 500 gigabyte NVMe M.2, which came in black, so it kind of just blends in right with the motherboard. And now that we went through the main parts, let's get started with the build. You'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess it's in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Now, of course, for the best part is the graphics card. Now, for the graphics card, I went with the ASRock 6600 XT. I got this off Mercari for only $200, and this goes perfect with the Ryzen 5 5600X. For the power supply, I was able to get this EVGA 600 watt gold rated. I got this off the B stock on EVGA's website. I got 2 of these for $35 each, which is a really good deal. You should definitely keep an eye out on the EVGA website. Now, to tie everything together, of course, I had to get some white cable extensions. Now, I got this off of Amazon. It's called Easy DIY Fab, and I got these for $25. Another best part is the PC case. Now I went with this really nice white Pivia Genesis. I was able to get this off of Amazon for around $70. I'm gonna be honest here, I've used 3 different kind of Pivia cases. They are by far the best and my most favorite cases to use. I usually go for the mesh style front cases, but this glass panel just really makes the PC case, and it also goes really good with the Infinity Mirror plates that I make. If you haven't watched that video, you can go check that out after this. This was originally supposed to be a GPU backplate, but with the spacing between the cooler, it really wouldn't make sense because you wouldn't be able to see it. So luckily it fit perfect right at the bottom of the PC case. So if you're interested in making these, you can definitely go check that out. And now that we went through the rest of the parts, let's finish off this build. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I'm at the end of editing this video, and I just realized I forgot to give you guys the answer of how much profit I made on the last PC build. This was the least amount of profit that I made on all of my PC builds. I only made $70 on it, but hey, profit is profit. Here's a breakdown of the parts and the prices that I paid to build this PC. Also, this PC will be up for sale if anybody's interested. I do have a Jawa account, which I will link it down in the descriptions. If you're interested in more PC builds and flips, I suggest watching this video. Or if you're interested in watching how I make these back plates, I suggest watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.